Understanding, have one's hand out. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, have one's hand out. It's a common expression in English, but what does it really mean? Let's explore together and make sure you understand how to use it correctly in your conversations. The phrase, have one's hand out, typically carries a negative connotation. It means to ask for financial help or charity, often implying that the person asking does not deserve it or is asking too frequently. Imagine someone with their hand extended, waiting for someone else to give them something for free. That's the visual this phrase evokes. To better understand this expression, let's look at some examples. 1. He's always got his hand out, asking for money but never trying to find a job. This suggests that the person frequently asks for money without making efforts to be self-sufficient. 2. The company has its hand out for government subsidies again, despite making huge profits last year. Here, it implies that the company is seeking financial benefits it may not necessarily need, given its successful financial status. When using have one's hand out, it's important to remember its negative shade. It's often used in contexts where someone's behavior of asking for help or resources is viewed critically. However, it's versatile and can be applied to individuals, groups, or even organizations. In a sentence, she doesn't respect people who have their hand out instead of working hard. In a question, why do you always have your hand out whenever we talk about finances? Understanding phrases like, have one's hand out, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you grasp the nuances of the language. We hope this video has shed light on this particular expression and its usage. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying attitudes and emotions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.